Nomasa Hlala Yetwa is from the rural village of Bolotwa in South Africa's Eastern Cape. Nomasa attends the Vuyani Junior Secondary School that up until recently had no running water. Students were required to carry water to school using 5-litre plastic buckets.
We were fetching 5-litre buckets and carry water from the dam, and the water was too dirty. We were using 5-litre buckets to get on from our community, and we didn't have water to wash our hands when we come from toilet, and we didn't have water to plant our garden, and we didn't have enough water to cook our food. In the morning we used to carry 5-litre buckets and our books to come here in our school. It was too bad for us because we were carrying books and 5-litre. It was not easy for us.
Fortunately for Nomasa and her fellow students, Water for All installed a wind turbine pump, which has provided clean water for the school and the community ever since.
That changed a lot in our school, and our teachers are very happy, and also students are very happy. The water has changed a lot in our school. We have water to cook, we have water to drink when we are during athletics, we have water to wash our classrooms. That meant a lot because we are not suffering anymore.
Nomasa's story is a familiar one across Africa. Thousands of schools and communities are denied access to clean water, continuing a cycle of disease, environmental destruction, and hours lost to water collection, a task undertaken primarily by women and girls. Since 2004, Water for All has provided clean water to hundreds of schools and communities in Africa, with over 1,000 pumps and 2,500 water purifiers donated to rural and peri-urban communities. Utilizing a range of low-maintenance renewable energy technologies, each solution is tailor-made and takes into account borehole yield and depth, weather conditions, population size, proximity to schools, and community engagement. Hundreds of communities in 10 African countries have had the lives and well-being of its people improved almost overnight.
It was my first time to see such a pump. It is using the energy of the sun, which is readily available here. It is a renewable source of energy, and it has no problem. It is functioning very well, and the water is benefiting the school community a lot.
And we have really changed the environment. You look around the school, you see we've planted trees, we've planted crops. This project has really benefited us greatly.
The introduction of water has not only had an impact on the environment, but has led to great improvements in health and education.
Yeah, sometimes we used to have very many cases of diarrhea, especially in young children. But of late, since the installation of this water, we normally get very few cases. So I can say actually the water has assisted a lot in limiting childhood diarrhea in the area.
In the last year, that is 2008, the enrollment was about 335. Now I have a total enrollment of around 440, including the preschool. I can attribute the rise in enrollment with the provision of this clean water.
Strategic partnerships are at the heart of Water for All's approach to improving access to clean water. Water for All works with local communities and in-country advisors to assess school and community water needs and determine which water technology is most appropriate. Water for All's philosophy is to work hand in hand with other non-profit organizations in order to provide beneficiaries with a holistic experience along with their new water system. Water for All's partners help maximize the benefits of clean water by offering activities such as improved sanitation and hygiene, nutrition, and HIV education. With these strategic partnerships, plus the support of governments, the private sector, and individuals, Water for All continues to expand and develop new approaches in an effort to bring a sustainable change to the lives of children and their families.
Now in my school, since Water for All arrived, we are very proud about it. And now we have enough water to cook, and we are also supplying surrounding school near our school. And now we clean properly in our school, our classrooms, and we have enough water to drink. It has changed my life very much. That makes me feel great because now we have water.